Well, I just love the fact actually that there's different books for different stages to start off with, so that's fantastic. So you can go to an age and stage and be able to refer specifically for that age. I really love the waiatas in here as well, so that you can share them with, because we're really always trying to encourage our families to sing to their children. So that's a really great resource, because we know how much that helps, build that relationship and helps with language and just really that lovely attachment that you can have between the parent and the child. It's a nice visual tool that, a lot of learners are very visual, and so the pictures in here are very relatable to the families. They can see themselves in here, and that can help. It can be a really lovely talking point for the family support ka whānau whina to be able to talk with the whānau, and so they can say, well, that looks a bit like me, and that looks like our family, and so it can be a really good talking point, and that can help. Gosh, they can learn so much from each other from that conversation just on a picture, on a photo like like we've got here. So that can be a great talking point, really good relationship building.